Hi guys, this is great opportunity for you guys to participate in a contest. You have to find the hidden question in the video and first one give the correct answer will be the winner. Opportunity to get his or query solved by direct communication, by direct discussion in a comment. They can ask me to make a project of their choice. Winner name will be revealed after 12 hours of the uploaded video. I will also pin the winner name in comment section.
In this video, I will teach you a part 2 of experiment with pH different pH indicator part 2. Previously, I experiment in 1 month ago. I linked also description of the video. I already mentioned I have no sodium hydroxide. All sodium hydroxide used to dissolve aluminum tin cans. So I purchased a new sodium hydroxide in this bottle and now experiment with different dyes in base. This is a methyl orange. I put it out little bit methyl orange in this bottle. Little bit. So I thinking to best with this. Not too much, only little bit. Previously, I think I put a lot. Previously, bromethymol is red when add acid. Now add base. And see what it's do. And I also put so otherwise little bit mess. I also made a mess, so no problem. I am using sodium hydroxide, but wait, once pause, I forget one thing. I am forget to apply in water, so my sodium hydroxide in salt form. Salt dissolve in water after. Now I put the sodium hydroxide, so I have no this time gloves, so no problem. If you have gloves, I recommend use gloves. And now shake it. In my case, water is I think higher than amount so I throw water one floor. This time I am not mixing sodium hydroxide. All sodium hydroxide in present in bottom, which I can add more sodium hydroxide. Meaning there are water quantities so I think sodium hydroxide is also require a high concentration to this. I just will pull in my hand, so it is not a good idea, but I will try it. Mix. I think okay. Now take dropper liquid. There, my bottle is. I will clean my bottle with water, so there are already water present. So this means this is also liquid form, liquid fry. Then I add more some, but there are issues. So my dropper is also. I made a few more mess. So my all ants is died. So that's why I think everything die my hand. I think no difference with. Let's see. Let's try with other dye after see them. I'm using uh now I'm using this type of dye. I mean litmus solution. Be careful pouring so not make mess. Again now add water. Keep in mind I also made a mess. So never this methyl orange dye mix with this. I think sodium hydroxide is not dissolved properly. I directly inject sodium hydroxide to this solution. This my solution. So uh, let's put directly and other my and is dried, so meaning there are no moisture in my hand, so that's why I usually take in sodium hydroxide in my hand without any skin as well. Otherwise sodium hydroxide is also burn a skin. when tongue and contact with steam, oily steam. Adverse solution is very hot. I much more. Yeah, it is clear color, orange color. I not in camera is clearly see, so my bottle is fully dirty. In my hand is also dirty, so I think camera cannot see color change, but it's color changed. Now try with bromothymol. Bromothymol, and I also started contrast. It is great thing for your guys. I also question them in video and answer it correctly on with first one reflect answer. I am every 3 hours checking a video on notifications. Which one is first one is correct answer given. I I win this test, and it is benefit when it's win a contest. It is decide to make a project, which project I made. It is directly asked me in comment section. Also, any question between any doubt and question in experiments or other projects, it is asked me. I am quickly reply. So when I mix it, I think they are not dissolved, like just mix, mix. I think reaction is started for solution is eats up. Solution is eats up. So there's a caustic soda. If it's sodium hydroxide, and you know what? It's highly powerful and highly strong. It is oxidizer react with water to make a sodium hydroxide solution. This is advothermic. Let's compare. I think I take this bottle tag. This is the original bottle of this bromothymol. So I compare it. There is there. This one is greenish, or this one is greenish, and I think this is a yellow. This is a yellow green, and this is a pure yellow. Now you can see the result. There are. This is the original solution, original litmus, and there's when I mix after mixing a sodium hydroxide. So it is a brownish, and this is a purple. And let's compare bromothymol with mixture of sodium hydroxide and less without sodium hydroxide. This one green yellow, and this is pure yellow. And compare with this methyl orange with water and methyl orange with sodium hydroxide solution. This one is red orange, and this is a pure red. And this video is end with our next video. But by the way, contrast is how many oxygens in methyl orange. How many oxygen present in methyl orange, or what is the formula of methyl orange? To man this contest answer in given 12 hours. First one correct answer give it is winner, and it is decide project which project to recommend to me make project, and it ask any question regarding chemicals. So it is a chemistry related contest. And this video is an